2024. Miss Mau already at Pipito Manaloto aired May 18, 2024, starring Bitoy Michael V. Soon Miss Mau on Netflix. The Batman starring Julian Santos Agoncillo, Arjoin Ataide, John Arcilia, and soon also Miss Mau at Kapamilya Primetime Bida, Lavender's Field, starring Jody Santa Maria, Jericho Rosales, Julina Magdangal, Janine Gutierrez, with Diamond Star Maricel Soriano and Sir Edward Manzano. Ayan, mga nakita ko po sila during the taping. Here goes, second and last song for tonight from Clear Magnum. Best wishes! Sean and Kim! Once again, from yours truly, Mao, the singing MC.